Pengi ako.
Stick. Ilona!
Andas teacher. Ikaw na sunod. 5:30 daw sila matatapos.
Huh? 5:30? Oh.
Yan.
You don't know me. You don't care. You just want me to come out there and throw that magic shit.
Kaya ko hindi.
Kaya sa pati nga niya.
No, you got you. It's not true. Okay.
How old were you?
How much of it?
Hindi mo man nasubukan. Ano ba yun?
Sino?
Si Daddy.
Alam mo na?
Chief, relax.
Saan ka mo na kami bakal?
Wait over here. Listen, okay? It sounds like it's not good.
Coming out until you make a leave.
Stay there. Stay like that.
So, mo dito, Papa?
You won't be able
Gusto
to
niya papasok mo. Dali.
afford my tour now.
No, the other one.
Hindi pa pwede mag-food vlog.
May pag-isa.
Hindi, mag water ha.
When the hell is she on TV? Chief, when the hostages went live on us.
Where these cameras go to? It's your corporate office. No. We're in here. You should be careful with that. Yeah, no, it works hard on it. You know a lot about electronics? No.
What the hell happened? We lost connection, Chief. Damn it.
Bus na. Alas na.
What are you doing? I have to go to the bathroom. We all have to go. Is there a bathroom here? Yes, it's back there. All right, one at a time. Look, look. I want you to know. No, maybe she was in the electronic. Check there.
Dito?
Tingin ako Yumi. Okay lang. Ay, dapat pala ito na lang fries Yumi.
Going out there.
Hindi ko man nagsabi. Masalang kata.